Hey everyone, Card Addict 23 here, and I got some Dragoball. I'm gonna open up today.
Oh my gosh,
I got this at the 7-Eleven. Should have bought more because I'm in a new area and there's no Dragoball cards at the 7-Eleven. So I should have bought more at the other store in Chiba, but I guess it is what it is. But hopefully I'll find more Dragoball cards along the way. Let's just go ahead and open this up, see what we get.
We're going to bed, tell the mommy.
Ooh, got a rare Vegeta. Not too bad. And that's it. A rare Vegeta. Not bad for a rare card. Well, if you liked any of the cards you saw, you liked the video, please leave a like. Feel free to comment, subscribe, check out my other videos. I'll see everyone on the next one.